Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing of a gun. What I have here is a Ruger Elite Target rifle. It's a 10-22 rifle plus a crossfire scope. Um, I searched on YouTube and they haven't really made a video on this gun yet. I've seen a few of them that are target practicing with it, but I haven't seen anybody do a unboxing or a video on this gun yet. So I went ahead and bought this gun. The reason I bought it is because it's um, lighter and the barrel is shorter, so it's more easier for me to do a smaller game, upper game hunting with it. But enough talking. Let's get into this rifle here. When you first purchase it, it comes with this box. That's what it comes in with, and you pop it open like this. I already opened it. Take a look at it, you know, but this is a unboxing for you guys. When you purchase it, it comes with this lock. These are I don't want to say they're handy, but they're not really good for locking guns, so they're handy. They come with these spacers to help you adjust the pull length on the gun. I don't really need these spacers. And then it comes with this cheap weaver style or whatever you want to call this rail for mounting your scope. But I'm not going to go with this um, rail because I don't really like how it just have 5 mounting uh, adjustment for the way I mount my scope. So I don't really recommend this. It's good if you have like a alternative way to just set up your scope, your mount and your scope at the moment. But in the long term, I'm not. It's not worth to actually just put this on. It's better off to go get a different type of rail for your gun. So I'm not gonna mount that on that. Um, let's get into this gun right here. You have your owner manual book here. All right. I'm not even gonna read that. So let's get into the gun here. All right. So this is the reason why I went with this Elite Target Ruger gun. It has that thumb loop here, so you can put your thumb around it. It's like a grip for a pistol or something like that. That's the reason why I went with it. Um, it does come with a stage 2 trigger. Um, I haven't really felt any difference on it because I never owned a Ruger. I shoot my friend's Ruger before, but I don't think it's any different. But it feels kind of lighter when you pull the trigger on it. There's nothing in there. Make sure the magazine's out before you. Oop. For the magazine's out, so there's nothing in there, you guys. Um, point the barrel at the safe distance just in case, and let's see how this trigger feel. Feels all right. It's not too bad. Maybe 5 pound. I'm not sure. I don't have a scale for it. So, um, and then the barrel. The barrel's very, very short. I believe it's a 16-inch barrel. So, that's the whole purpose of me getting the shorter barrel because I'll be moving through brushes and trees, and I don't want the barrel to be caught up on any trees or anything like that. And then I believe it's threaded in the front here to have a muzzle brake or a suppressor on it. Um, Eventually, I will put a muzzle brake or a suppressor on it, but I just recently got the gun, so I'm not gonna really play around with that yet. But it looks nice. Um, it's really nice. It looks good. It's not too shabby. Um, this is where you're gonna put the rails at. So these four holes right here, you take out these screws right here, and then you mount the Weaver style, Picatinny style mount on it, rail mount base on it, and then you can mount your scope on it. Um, Other than that, man, look at this gun. It looks nice. Retail about, I want to say, it retails in California. We have freaking crazy tax, so this gun run me about 700 something on the website, and then you have to pay tax, you gotta do paperwork. In total it came out to like 800 something. So I'm not even too worried about it. I'm more about shooting the guns and getting it situated. um if you ever own a 1022, you know how to operate it. This this is for releasing the magazine. This is the safety right here, and this tiny little brake right here is to lock the bolt back. So you can lock the bolt. To unlock the bolt, you gotta press on it and press that button, and it unlocks. It does come with a sling attachment here and here, but I think I'm gonna put a tripod mount on it very soon. Not too bad. I'll give you guys my honest opinion when I go sight it in and shoot it. All right, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys like these video. And besides, I'm not sponsored by them. This is out of my own money, and I'll give you guys my honest review on it. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you guys like it. Please like and subscribe.